Good morning, it's the next day. Today's plan is to have a beauty day. I'm gonna do some skincare and walk you through that, what products I use, and then also hair care. So if you want all my tips and tricks on how to achieve long healthy hair, stay tuned for that. But first, coffee.
Roll the shoulders down the spine, create some space between the shoulders and the inhale. Exhale, open out to warrior two. Looking over the front fingertips. Finding some
Hello, so I did some yoga and I had a sandwich, I fed the dog, and now I'm just gonna give some food to the birds and then I'm gonna take a shower. So that's what's happening right now. I promised you I will talk about skincare and hair care today. So that's why we are in the bathroom. Let's see. To start with, I like natural products. Nothing with like parabens, alcohol, or chemicals and stuff like that. So for my face, I only use 2 products, and it's this brand called Simple. So this is the facial wash, and it's 100% soap free. It's kind to the skin. It has no mineral oils, no perfume, drying alcohols, nothing weird in it. So I only use these on the evening if I have makeup on. So this is only to wash off my makeup. If I don't wear makeup, I don't need any like harsh like cleansing. I do have this little thing. It's a cloth. So this works more like a peeling. If I feel like I need a peeling. So this is like once a week, maybe maximum. And then I have the same brand, Simple, and this is the face moisturizer. So it's a cream. So that's what I use. I use this one every day, after showering or after washing my face. So that's it for my face. I don't use any like anti-wrinkle cream or eye cream or serums or peelings, nothing. I just use this. Cleanse if I have makeup, and moisturizer. This cream that I got from my mom, it's also paraben free, and it's with aloe vera for daily use. And the brand is, it looks like that. So this is what I use for my body. For my hair though, it's a little more complicated. Where do I start? I don't use shampoo. Woo, dramatic pause. I do use like conditioner to wash out my scalp a little more. I'm gonna show you the products. I'm gonna get some more. I'm gonna talk about that one. Okay, it's a lot. Let's see. This one, it's a balancing conditioner from Shea Moisture, African black soap. That's good for dandruff and dry, itchy scalp. So I use this one as a cleanse, and then I use this one, that's Tresemme with coconut oil and aloe vera. It has no dyes, no silicone, no chemicals, nothing weird in it. And it's a really good conditioner, so I use that one in the shower, and I comb my hair with, okay, now it's a little dirty, with this. So I don't know if you can see, but it's very weird looking comb, and it's perfect for detangling. When I get out of the shower, sometimes I use a gel to style. Now I have this Eco Styler Professional Gel with maximum hold. It's alcohol free, and it has no flake, anti-itch, and it does the work. I like it. So I use this when I come out of the shower in wet hair, like damp hair. And the last product is argan oil. So I let my hair air dry a little bit, or I put a towel in it. And when it's a little dry, like after an hour, I take a few drops of this in my ends, in my length, and it helps with the frizz and also to moisturize. So that's my hair care routine. So yeah, I'm gonna take a shower now, so I hope you enjoy. See you later. Bye. So I'm doing my makeup, and this is my little makeup corner, but what I wanted to talk about with you is this magnetic eyelashes. I just love them. They're so good. And yes, it's a little tricky to put them on in the beginning, but yeah, you just have to practice and then you learn it, and it's so good. You can have them all day, and then when you're back at home on the evening, or I mean, we're in quarantine now, but if you go out somewhere, or if you wear them at work or something, and you get back, you don't have to wash your face as much. Like mascara, you have to rub it off. With this, you just pull them and they're off. So this is awesome. I'm gonna show you how I put them on. There is one that's supposed to be over and one that's supposed to be under, so you have to see where the magnets are. This one is over, this one is under. But I think it's easier to take the one that's supposed to be under first, and then with my own eye I close it, so I hold it. Yeah, that's just me. Ta-da! So, that's how you do it. So, I have done my makeup, I put my eyelashes on, some lipstick, a little hair flower, and I'm gonna show you my outfit for today.